The minute, for example, it's not prohibited to have a lovely motor vehicle, right? I'm sure every one of us, I tweeted about it today, we all would love to have a nice car or something, a nice house. We all have our aim, our eyes are set on something. I'm going to get a better job, a better salary, a better house, a better car. What else? Okay, these guys are just looking at me like, don't say it. Okay, fine, fair enough. For as long as halal, it's okay. I promise you, it's okay to be focused on that to a degree for as long as your primary focus is, I want to have a better relationship with Allah. Because if you've had nothing of all of that, and you've had a good relationship with Allah or a better, and you're improving as the days pass, wallahi, it's a sign of the mercy of Allah. But if you haven't, it's a sign of rejection, subhanallah. Anyway, the minute you get a better job, and sometimes Allah gives it to us, and He does. You get a better salary, you buy a better car, you will notice people comment about you. Some of them may be positive, they'll be happy for you, but a lot of them will start saying, you stealing, you pinching, you on drugs, you doing drugs, you peddling, you whatting, you evading taxes, you doing this, because that's how they were. It says more about them than it does about you. Enjoy your car. When you're passing them, you can hoot, Salaam alaikum, mashallah. Would you like a ride, brother? MashaAllah. You can take it for a day. I don't mean it in an arrogant way, but what I mean is, thank Allah for what you have. Thank Allah. Don't be selfish. Sometimes Allah will bless you with something He did not bless others with. It's okay. Be humble. Be humble. Treat people with utmost respect. When you speak to others, make sure you don't turn them away from the deen of Allah. Sometimes